Drive Plus Car Care Center, a well-known automotive repair and service shop in Quezon City, has opened a new branch in San Juan. The new branch, located at 683 Jose Abad Santos Street in Little Baguio, San Juan City, formally opened its doors last January 20.
For Drive Plus, we are a general service center for cars. We handle everything from the most basic of oil changes to just tire changes, all the way to more complex under chassis repairs, and even to some degree of engine and transmission repairs. We also do the typical ATF dialysis. We do your OBD or onboard diagnostics checks for, well, a myriad of brands, right? From your most common Toyota, Honda, all the way to some European cars like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audis as well. The size of the store, the floor area is around 800 square meters. We have about 10 bays right now. 2 are dedicated to servicing alignment because we sell tires, and then we have 2 dedicated for heavier, like cars with heavier chassis, while you have the 6 regular lifters for your general works.
Drive Plus assures vehicle owners that the new San Juan branch offers the same professional services and quality products offered by its main branch in Quezon City.
Actually, the staff here is not only trained, they're not only accredited by TESTA, but aside from investing in their official training, we made sure that the staff who services the vehicles here in San Juan, given it's a new branch, are one of our most trusted and tested employees, all the way from the main branch in Quezon City. For everyone who's watching, we'd like to invite you to come try our services. We're located at 683 J. Abad Santos, Barangay Little Baguio here in San Juan City. And for all your car care needs, we're Drive Plus, your car care expert.